Question 3. Now this question says, prove that this sigma notation is a convergent geometric series through all your calculation. Now, the most important word here is convergent geometric series. Now, what a convergent geometric series means is that your value for r is between -1 and 1. Now, your r in geometric series or sequence is t2 over t1 is equals to t3 over t2. So that's how you figure out what your r is. So we need to figure out what our first three terms is, and that will definitely help us get our r. So to get our first three terms, all we just need to focus on is on our sigma notation and substitute your value for k for the first three terms, meaning that you're going to get an answer as so these are our first three terms, so therefore our r would be 1 over 3, and as you can see, 1 over 3 is definitely between -1 and 1, and we can say yes, is a convergent geometric series. And that's it. So 3.2 says if the sigma notation is equals to 2 over 9, determine the value for p. Now to answer this question, we understand that sigma means sum, right? So this question is saying that the sum of infinity, I know that is infinity because of this symbol over there, that means sum to infinity, right? So it means that the sum to infinity is 2 over 9. That's exactly what this tells me. Now they are asking us to find the value for p. Now the formula for sum to infinity is a over 1 minus r. Now we have the sum to infinity part, which is 2 over 9, and we need to figure out what the a part and what the r part is. Now from the previous question, we already calculated our value for r to be 1 over 3, right? Because the equation is the same. Like if you look at 3.1, we have the exact same equation, yeah? The only difference is k is equals to 1 instead of p, right? But the overall equation never changes. Now, if the equation is the same, your common ratio also would be the same. So your r is 1 over 3, and your a will be a little bit different because our first value we substitute to give us, yeah? So this will be your value for a. Now, all you just need to do is substitute. Let's substitute each and every one of this into our formula, which will be, then we simplify. Divide both sides by 6. Change 1 over 27 into exponents. And the final simplification, p would be equals to 5. And that's it. So this is exactly how they wanted you to answer this particular question over here to find your value for p.